Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Jereshma. Today we are discussing about the topic of Income Tax Act 1961. Income tax consists of the words income and tax. Income is the money that an individual or business receives, usually financed for producing the goods or service or through invested capital. And tax is a compulsory financial charge levied by the government for the manufacturing for public expenditure. Tax Tax was invented James Wilson and came into force 24 July 1860. And Article 365 says no one collect the tax without approval of law. Article 246 7 schedule contains three lists. List 1 lawmaker and admin of central government. List 2 lawmaker and admin of state government. List 3 both lawmaker and admin of both central and state government. Again, tax is divided two types: direct tax, indirect tax. Direct tax incidence and impact of the same person. The burden of tax cannot be transferred, so it is called progressive tax. Do not affect of the cost of product. Indirect tax incidence and impact of the different person. The burden of tax can be transferred from one person to another person, so it is called regressive tax. It is directly affected from cost of the products. Components of the income tax: Income Tax Act 1961, Income Tax Rules 1962, Annual Finance Act, Notification and Circular, Case Law. Income Tax Act 1961, Section 1. It is applicable to whole of in India and it came into force 1st April 1962. It contains 21 chapters, 298 sections, 14 schedule. Section 2, subsection 7, SSC. SSC is a person who is liable to pay the tax to the income tax government. Types of SSC: normal SSC, deemed SSC, representative SSC, SSC in default. Assessment year: Section 2, subsection 9. The income which you would earn, it should be taxable on assessment year. It is a period of 12 months. It starts from 1st April to 31st March. Previous year, Section 3, it is similar to the financial year. The year which you earned the income, it should be taxable on assessment year. Exception: Section 3, 172, shipping business. 174, person living in India. 174 A, AOP BOI incorporated from short term business. Thank you for giving it its wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.